So we're coming up on the Lani Kai. So I'll be playing dodge them the whole time, the rest of the way through here. Howdy. So here we are. So right here, they haven't quite got past the Lani Kai yet. Oh, there's their equipment. So there's their equipment right there, the beach renourishment. So they're bringing in this sand here. This right here is their stake that tells them how far. So here's the top slope. So in other words, this is as far as they're going out here. So they're pretty much done with this. So, and it looks like they've gotten past the Lani Kai, which is good. So they should be on their way to the other end of the island if nothing has changed since Dan talked. So lots more people down here for sure. Like I said, this is like going to the airport, but better. It's kind of fun. So that noise you're hearing, that's the beach bar, and they're in the middle of building their building, and they just scooted their whole operation forward and kept it running while they're waiting for their building to get built, which is cool. They got underway pretty quick. They had pretty much an old shack, and now they have a really nice they had a shack there. Now they're going to have something really nice and elevated. I'm sure they're going to have a lot more debt service, but what a good location they got. And this here's the Lani Kai. They're back at it. I stayed at the Margaritaville the other night just to see what it was like, and I noticed that that the Lani Kai had their rooms up for rent. So that's cool. Excuse me. Me, I just love riding my bike on the beach. This is awesome. It's the funnest thing I can't think of anything more fun. I used to drive all the way from Cincinnati, Ohio down here to do this. And of course, it was a rental bike back then. I didn't have my fat tire fancy bike that is built for this stuff. Made it more fun. So here we are. We're coming up onto the Lani Kai.
Sorry.
So here we are in front of Margaritaville. So Margaritaville, pretty much, this is it. They're done. They've got this. They got this whole thing. They've got the sand in here to the degree that they're going to do it. They've extended the beach out significantly, and it's pretty freaking awesome, if you ask me. So. All right, so this is it. This is the Margaritaville. And you're going all the way down here to the Times Square area. So all of this has been done. The beach renourishment is completed down through here. So pretty cool stuff. Lots of people doing their Christmas stuff. You see the Christmas snowman back there. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. I like it.
I got an idea. Let's do it free.
So this is it, man. Come on down to Fort Myers Beach. This place, we are rocking. We got the same sand that we had before. They specifically found this one borrow site so that they could get the same exact sand that we have on the beach. And they've gone through a lot of effort to do that. They're pulling from the same area for the whole island. So the island's 7 miles long, and this right here is the pier. The reason that they're in for bigger permits on the pier is because the pier is half as long as it used to be because of all of this sand being put on it. So as you can see, as I pull back here, you see that blue wall? That blue wall, the sand, the water used to rush up against that blue wall right there. Right there. So, and so this is what it looks like. We've got all this additional sand here, and it's pretty cool. And if you notice, we got the same sand that we had. So they did a good job at finding which place to get it from. It's nice and clean too. It doesn't have a lot of crap in it. It's very cool. So the city has been threatening to tear down these structures here. It's basically all they got left is the concrete. So these guys have been out here. Their machines are too small for what they're doing, but I guess they can dig them out. It just takes longer. So at any rate, that's it. So this berm right here, that's a different contractor putting in that berm. They got to have to get to a 6-foot elevation all the way down the whole island. And here we go. We got some street performers up here. We've got, this is the pier. If you look all the way down there, all the way down here, this is what used to be the pier. If you look at how far out the sand goes now, that's why they're making the pier twice as long, because they knew about this. We have an engineered beach now, which means it's relatively easy to get funding to keep the beaches up. And these guys right here, they are, looks like they rented some equipment. We sure would have liked to have done this work for them. I guess they're getting some of this stuff torn down for the beach. So this is Dave Lockwood with Remove It Pros Demolition, giving you this uncut version of just riding down the beach, talking about beach renourishment, showing the piping, and just talking about the Osmo 3 that's really bad to the bone as far as doing these videos. So that's it. I'm out. I'll talk to you later. I'll see you on the next video.